6 minus 4 gives us 2, right? And then 6 minus 4 also gives us 2. And then 2 times 2 gives us 4. Do you think that's the right answer? Unfortunately not. So pause video and think about this, because you fell for a big trap, and this trap is the trap of the order of operations. You didn't follow the correct order of operations. But for God's sake, what is the correct order of operations? It is something called PEMDAS. So for God's sake, never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. So sounds like Saul Goodman in Better Call Saul. So let's talk about PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses or grouping symbols. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And you tell me the last part. S stands for subtraction. And this shows a vector, an arrow of priority. So here we have the highest, and here we have the lowest priority. It means that whenever you have a lot of operations, expressions with a lot of operations, you must go for parentheses at first, if there is any parentheses. Then go for exponents. Then go for multiplication or division from left to right. So MD or DM does not matter. They have the same priority. And then go for addition and subtraction. Again, go from left to right. It doesn't matter, AS or SA. So this is an internationally accepted method and convention, and we must follow this, because otherwise everybody could say my answer is right, or this answer is wrong. So that would create a chaos, right? Like in our example, because 4 is not the answer. According to PEMDAS, do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. So we must do the parentheses at first. So 6 minus 4, and then what is inside the parentheses? 6 minus 4, which gives us 2, right? So multiplication instead of the whole parentheses. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So we must do this part, 4 times 2 at first. We can't do 6 minus 4 at first, because we would end up in the wrong answer. So 6 minus 4 times 2 gives us 8, and we just have a subtraction. So 6 minus 8 gives us minus 2 or negative 2. And that's the only correct answer. As your homework, what would the answer be if we had 6 minus 4 squared inside the parentheses? So make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below, and please subscribe to Prime Logic, to the channel, to help me, to motivate me, and like the video if you haven't already, and see you on our next video.